I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL TV. Joining me today at the White Label Expo here at London XL is Michael from Blockchain Sensei. Michael, thanks so much for being here today.
No worries, no worries. An absolute pleasure to be here.
Well, it's lovely to see people face to face again after a terrible couple of years. But anyway, we'll come back to that.
Yeah.
Can you start by telling me a bit about Blockchain Sensei and your role there?
Okay, so Blockchain Sensei is a full-spec financial literacy company. What we aim to do is break down large pieces of information, whether it's investing in the stock market, investing in blockchain technologies or NFTs, and help the average everyday person understand. Then on the business front, we want to help businesses start accepting cryptocurrency payments, creating their own NFTs, and providing those as bonuses and incentives to not only their customers, but their staff too.
You were telling me before we started the interview that cryptocurrency is the future in business, right?
100% from the reports that we've looked at, ranging from the Masari report to the World Economic Forum report, everything is suggesting that people are more inclined to, number one, make payments, and number two, to engage with somebody at an e-commerce platform if they accept cryptocurrency.
And that's going to spread across the whole e-commerce industry, you think?
We believe so, yes, we believe so. Just if you look at what's happening at the moment in the global economic situation, current political climate, we're finding that people are resorting to blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies to help each other. So it starts off with people wanting to help each other, and then it's going to move to just a general form of payment.
And will help in cross-border e-commerce?
100%. I think that's the ultimate help point, is that it removes so many barriers. It allows transactions to happen faster. It just removes all the middleman stuff that just slows down everything about e-commerce and payment gateways.
And what are you hoping to get out of coming to the event today?
For me, coming to this event, I want to see innovation. I want to find out where I'm behind in the e-commerce space. I want to find out what ways that people are already thinking that cryptocurrency, metaverse products and blockchain products can already integrate with what we're doing, and then see if we can provide education for their customers.
What you can do to stay ahead of the game and your competitors, right?
Yep, that's it. That's what you got to do. And this is the perfect place to meet people, see new ideas, and see who you can potentially collaborate with.
Well, how important is digital marketing with all of that in mind?
Whoa. Digital marketing is literally probably the most important thing in the world right now. We saw that obviously during the lockdown period, people started spending way more time on screens. So if you're not digital marketing, you're literally killing your business. That's our strong belief.
Mm-hmm. And what do you think about CCL TV being here at the event?
Oh, well, what's an event without CCL TV?
Exactly, that's our tagline. Thank you so much for being here. It's so lovely to see you. Thank you.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you.